If you're new to this channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Heavy-duty truck transmissions are built to handle extreme loads, high torque, and demanding working conditions. Every component inside the transmission has an important role in transferring engine power to the wheels. One of these critical components is the spline drive shaft, also known as a gear shaft, which works together with the gear drum and other transmission components. In this video, we are taking a close look at the process of fitting a spline drive shaft into a heavy-duty gear drum assembly. This may look like a simple mechanical job, but proper alignment, inspection, cleaning, and careful installation are extremely important. Before installation begins, the shaft and gear drum are inspected carefully. The first thing to check is the condition of the splines. These splines are the small teeth or grooves machined around the shaft. They are designed to engage with matching grooves inside the drum or connected component. This connection allows torque to be transferred efficiently from one component to another. If the splines are damaged, excessively worn, cracked, or deformed, the shaft should not simply be installed without further inspection. Damaged splines can create excessive play, noise, vibration, and poor power transfer. In severe cases, they can fail under heavy load. The gear drum is also inspected before fitting. Its internal splines,